Meaning of docile.
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 Docile. The term docile refers to a person or animal that is easily trained or managed. A docile individual is generally obedient, compliant, and submissive, with a tendency toward passivity and a lack of initiative or assertiveness. This trait can be beneficial in situations where compliance is desirable, but may also be seen as a weakness if the individual can be taken advantage of by others. In general, a docile nature is characterized by a willingness to follow rules and accept instruction, without pushing back or challenging authority.